Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Khurram Shehzad. Today I'm going to talk about DVR and NVR camera systems. DVR stands for Digital Video Recorder. It is used with analog cameras. It is important to note that DVR based system is wired security system because you need to connect camera to DVR via coax cable. NVR stands for Network Video Recorder. Most NVR systems used with IP cameras. Cameras for NVR system can be used wireless or wired via Ethernet cable. There's a big advantage using NVR system over DVR is that it is hard to backtrack a recorder from wireless cameras. Also, it does not require too much effort to install NVR systems. I have been using NVR system for more than 3 years. Today I purchased another NVR system similar to what I had 3 years ago. I'll be doing unboxing, setup and configuration as well. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. NVR system. Four cameras. This network camera has Ethernet port that you can connect directly with NVR systems. Each camera has 3 night vision LED lights and a light sensor to turn on and off night vision lights. Antenna for each camera and mount screws. A quick start guide. One long range antenna. Four 5V 1 amp power adapters, one for each camera. One 5V 2 amps power adapter for NVR system. One USB mouse, and Ethernet cable to connect NVR system to internet router. Two antennas backside of NVR system that receive video data from wireless cameras. VGA and HDMI video output ports can be connected to TV or monitor. WLAN Ethernet port that you need to connect to your wireless router. Some NVR systems have additional 3-lane ports where you can directly connect camera to NVR system via Ethernet port. 2 USB ports, last but not least, a power adapter port.